Hello, my name is Chris and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing CSS Battle Daily Target for June 20, 2025. Alright, so let's count how many elements we're going to need to start. We're going to need this white box, so 1, 2, 3. So one for each of these blue rectangles. So we're going to create a div. I'm going to call it A. I use letters of the alphabet to cut down on characters. Not very descriptive, but for CSS Battle it works great. And what am I doing here? That's not what we want. I'm just going to copy this div. And we're going to place the two rectangles inside of the white rectangle. I'm going to make these B, whoops, and C. Now we need our style tag. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take care of the body. We're going to give that a background of this yellowish color. CSS Battle gives you a default margin on the body, and I think in this case we're going to want to get rid of that because it could cause some issues down the line. And I believe that's it. Alright, so now we're going to grab this first div, A, and I'm going to use CSS attributes to, again, cut down on my characters for a higher score with CSS Battle. This is going to have a background of this whitish color. And I'm going to say probably a width of 320 pixels. You don't need the pixels. In CSS Battle, that's the default. 320, and then a height of what, 200? It's pretty close. And then we're going to also say position relative so that we can move it down from the top 20 pixels. Is that right? Yep, that's right. And then we're going to move it from the left 20 pixels. Cool. Looks like our height is off. That should be 220 probably, right? Yep, cool. And then finally, since these blue rectangles are going to be inside, we're going to make this display flex. And we're going to use align items to put this one in the center, and then we're just going to move it down. I think that's the best way to do this. So we're going to say align items center. Cool. And then we've got, these are both this bluish color, so we're going to just take care of that. Lump them together to cut down on characters. And then let's look at B. So this is going to have a height of 220 because it's the same as that white box. Height 220, and I'm going to guess a width of 60. That looks to be correct. Alright, and then we need to do C. Which is going to have, let's see, we've got a width of 60, and this has got a width of 320. So this should have, it should be 320 minus 60, which is 260. So this is going to have a width of 260, and then it looks identical. So this height looks identical to this width. So we're going to say height 60. And then we just got to push it down a little bit. So we're going to say, we're going to make it position relative. And, oops, sorry about that. Position relative, and we're going to say top 20. Bam. Perfect. Alright, there it is. And then you've seen my videos before, you know this little CSS Battle trick. Your score is based on your accuracy and your number of characters. Right now I'm at 421. I've already deleted the comments below, but you can also get rid of this white space here. And that will cut down drastically on your characters and give you a higher score. So I just Command D to select all the white space like that on a Mac, and then hit delete, delete. And then we got to get everything on one line. So that went from 400 something characters to 297. And then we're going to submit. There you go. Well, thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this. Enjoy your day.